Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today should be, I'm hoping, is a relatively short video. I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on any of these bikes for the last week or so. I'm trying to get stuff done outside. Weather's been kind of lousy too. It's been raining. We're getting a lot of rain. And I just really have not felt like working on bikes out here today. So what I have to do today is I have to replace these dampers on the risers. These risers are the handlebars are a little loose, and checking the dampers or the bushings that are on the studs that come up, that's all they call them, the studs that come up from the hard side of the springer. These go on the top and bottom underneath the risers to kind of hold it in place. So we're going to take these caps off. I have Healy coiled a couple of these, so we got the stock risers back on. So let's take the caps off. We'll throw these bushings on right quick, and we'll be done with this. Okay, so a couple of these I've already Healy coiled. We're just going to take these off, and then we can put the new dampers on. Actually, that one's not even tight because I took it off the other day to check some stuff. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of Healy coiling the rest of these, I'm going to cut those stainless bolts so they'll fit, because they're a little bit too long. If they were Healy coiled, you could drill them out and they'd be fine, but the way they are right now, they're a little long. So we want to take this and just set this right here, pull the spring out. Yeah, the weather has been really just terrible around here lately. And you just don't want to do anything when it's kind of lousy. I really haven't even felt like coming out here and working. I was able to have the screen on my garage door for like a whole day. That was about it. So hopefully we'll get this thing right. I don't know if these are, I gotta check to see if those are in right. So these are the dampers right here that we're replacing. They're kind of loose. I'm not exactly sure if that's sitting right on there, but we're going to replace them both. See, these I already know are too loose. So we will take care of that. They're not moving back and forth. They're loose on there, but they're not moving back and forth. So they push in the top like this, and they sit at the bottom, but these are too... All right, so we'll continue on. I had to make some changes to this because these were not going in the way they should. So we're going to put these dampers on there. Like that. Put this on here. And we've got to move this down so it seats the way it's supposed to. This one's not down all the way. I'm going to put these washers on. So I'm going to tighten these down, then loosen them, because I want to make sure that these bars are on straight. So let's put these up. good like that. I still got to get a rubber washer for this. That washer got destroyed. So we've got, we got to put the spring, ground spring on the right side, and I think we're ready to put these on. So we're going to tilt these up. I'm still going to have to adjust these later on, but there. All right, let's see. All right, so these don't move like the other ones did. So, all right, so that's going to wrap that up for this. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. I think the next video, we'll get the tank on. We'll get the chrome pieces on for the exhaust, put the air cleaner on. Then I think we can fire this bike up. I still haven't had a chance, like I said, to get the shovel out. I really wanted to do an oil change on that in the Deluxe, and it's just been lousy weather. So hopefully by next video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.